by the lake where the sunset glows. We found a love that gently grows. Your hand in mine, the world stands still. Two hearts united by one will. When the stars begin to shine, I'll be yours and you'll be mine. I promise you forever, through every storm and sky. No matter where life takes us, I'll never say goodbye. With every sunset falling, my heart belongs to you. I'll choose you every morning and love you all life through. The wind whispers through the trees, carrying all our memories. Your smile is my safest place, my forever, my endless grace. If time keeps moving on, our love will stay strong. Every dream, every tear, I'll always keep you near.